Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic morning. Today, I'm going to bring you a story that actually happened to my mother, who is also an agent in my brokerage, and it kind of piggybacks yesterday with open houses, and I think you're going to enjoy this one. Several years ago, my mom first got a real estate license, and you gotta love the fact that my mom is an agent in my brokerage. I love working with her, and she's got such a great attitude, right? So when it comes to when she first got her license, she wanted to learn anything and everything, and she was down to try anything. I mean, she was on the phones day one, and she wanted to get out there and do open houses right off the bat. So, and I can't remember if it was her listing or not, but nonetheless, it was a listing in the brokerage, and she held it open. What was so cool was that she found the buyer for this listing. It was her listing, actually. Yes, it was. So she found the buyer for that listing, and then they needed to sell their house. So she got that listing. She found the buyer for that one by doing an open house there, and wouldn't you know, guess what? They ended up needing to sell their house. So my mom, just by being that eager go-to happy agent who was just eager to learn and get out there, she did an open house for her listing, got the buyer, sale number 2. They had to sell their home, sale number 3, found the buyer for that home, sale number 4, and they had to sell their home, sale number 5. She worked hard, she didn't find the buyer for that one. Oh well, another agent did, but she did get a bunch of leads, and I guarantee, knowing my mom, out of all of those, she got hundreds of leads and probably segued those into several other sales. Hard work, dedication, a great attitude, and being willing to do open houses and follow up with everybody. Just become friends with everybody. Every person that walks through that door, make them your friend. Follow up with them. Isn't that great? 5 sales and 1 open house. You guys can do it. Yeah. You guys can do it too. Have an awesome week.